Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, we would like to thank God who has been giving us blessing. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
Today, we would like to present our research entitled Multivariate Study on Factors that Influence Poverty, Regional Perspective. Beforehand, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Wiwin Indrayanti, Master of Economics, as the first author. The second author is Resi Pratiwi, Master of Science. And the last author is Zulfatunisa, Master of Economics. This research is motivated by the high number of poor people, especially for West Java, was recorded at 3.67. The poverty is a substantial problem that can hinder national progress. The government is committed to eradicate poverty to 0% by 2024. We can see in beside the poverty rate in West Java remains relatively high. So it requires special attention and management in several regions. Actually, many factors can influence poverty. But in this research, we focus on three factors. The first factor in inflation. Inflation is an economic phenomenon characterized by a general and persistent increase in the prices of goods and services over a period of time. The inflation was triggered by rising fuel prices, which were then followed by increases in other expenditure groups during the Eid al-Fitr holiday. After that, the second factor is HDI. HDI influences poverty because it reflects a society's quality of life. The problem of HDI are still disparities in various regions, both urban and rural areas, spread throughout Indonesia. And the last factor is open unemployment rates. Based on BPS data, the open unemployment rates has been dominated by the young age group and vocational high school graduates. It also dominated urban areas in West Java, especially in areas such as Cimahi, Bekasi, Sukabumi, Bogor, and Karawang, that is no more than 9. Many researchers have previously conducted research on poverty in West Java with varying interpretations. For example, research conducted by Febrianti and Zuhaira et al. The research results state that poverty is not determined by HDI. Meanwhile, Nurmayanti et al. Said that the poverty not determined by open unemployment rates. For this research, we decide to choose the research method. First, the scope. The population in this research is number of poor people, inflation, HDI, and unemployment in West Java. Meanwhile, the sample of data for 17 years. The analytical approach used was a multiple linear regression model using FU's version 12. And the analysis used was a classical assumption test, t-test, and f-test. After discussing the factor of poverty and research method, we will focus on the result and discussion that will explain by second author.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Vivian. We will continue the result and discussion. At the first, we will using classical assumption test, the first normalist test, and then multiple autocorrelation, heteroscedasticity, and R-square. At the first, we will find the normally values. Based on this data, the Jarbera, the values is 0.5 uh, 49. This values is more than 0.05. This is the data, it means normally test. If less than 0.05, our data is not normally, but we get the normally test. And then next, we will see the multicollinearity test. In this data, we can see free from multicollinearity test. Because the independent variables that are below 0.10 and the values fifth obtained less than 10. So the data is, this study is free from multicollinearity problem. Next, we will see the autocorrelation test. We can see the of R square from Bruce Godfrey. The probability is 0.22. Is these values more than 0.05. So it can be concluded that there is no autocorrelation on this regression model. After the correlation test, we will see the heteroscedasticity test. We can see the of R square. It means the probability is 0.228. Is the less than 0.05. So it can be start that heteroscedasticity test results have been met the pass the test. And then we can see the coefficient determination R square. We can see the values adjust R square. This values is 0.0 72, it means 72.75. It means the inflation, HDI, GPT, or underemployment is the dependent variable poverty by 72.7%, with remain 27.3% influenced by the other variables not included on this study. Next, we can see the partial test or t-test. We can see the probability values, uh, uh, inflation, SDI, and GPT or hours. In this case, uh, only SDI and TPT or OUR is significant values, but the SDI significant but negative. Nah, and then the inflation are not significant because these values more than 0.05. I think that's all for you today, and will be next by Mrs. Vivian.
Okay, for the last, in conclusion, the findings of this research indicate that poverty level are significantly influenced by HDI and open unemployment rates, with unemployment showing the strongest impact. Meanwhile, inflation doesn't have a significant effect on poverty within the observed period, possibly due to the time frame or other external economics factor. This result highlight the importance of improving human development and reducing unemployment as key strategies to effectively alleviate poverty. In conclusion, the findings of this research are expected to contribute to the advancement of science and provide a basis for consideration in making relevant policies. Thanks for your attention and the opportunity you gave us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.